Hey guys, working on a 2015 Explorer here. Got a customer complaint that the heat wasn't working on the passenger side. Pretty typical, comes back on most makes and models. It's going to be a blend door actuator for the air temp. And then after looking up repairs and stuff from other people, it looks like that was a big complaint. I always think the simple diagnostic process on these is, rather than poking everything with a bunch of wires, is just taking the blend door actuator out itself, and then once you get inside here on this passenger side where those splines are, you can put like a T30, a Torx 30 bit in there and turn it manually while you got the car running, and that'll pretty much tell you if that's going to fix your issue or not. If you turn it and it is fluctuating between hot and cold, then that's going to be your issue. That motor's not actuating pretty generally. Well, I guess unless you got a pinch wire or something like that, but not very common. So I'll start over here on this side. Just pull the glove box out. This one was all already kind of jacked up. Pretty much fell out when I opened the glove box. I don't know if someone was in here before me or not, but and then once you get in there, you got two little 8mm screws. Biggest complaint people are probably having with replacing this actuator, which is this part right here, is getting, kind of sits in here like that. This screw is really accessible, and this screw is not so much. It's tucked more towards the back. Say one thing I'd recommend, makes it pretty easy on this, is having these magnetic bits. These are Matco brand, but when you're doing this tight dash work like that, they help hold it when you ain't got to try to tape it up or rig something up to hold the screw. It holds it with that magnet pretty well, so gives you a little more maneuverability of trying to start those threads. But anyway, a lot of people had issue getting to that back screw. Some people even left it out, I saw. But when you get in here, see if I can get my light. This wiring harness right here is it's got these tabs on it to hold it down. If you pry that up out of this metal bracket here and then push it out of the way, it gives you a lot more access to that back screw. That way you're not dropping it and thumbing around. I saw another video where taking this cabin air filter cover might help a little bit, and that might have gave me a little more room as well, but moving this wire really helped. So reverse install is the same. It's just put the actuator in here. If you got to turn the splines to try to line it up, it should self-correct once you start adjusting temperature in the vehicle after you start it back up. And then put both screws in. The harness is kind of hard to get to. Plug in your harness, put glove box back in, and you should be ready to rock. Good luck. Alright, back at it. Continuation of the same video. Working on this passenger side blend door actuator. You're going to have to probably go ahead and pull out the glove box housing shell as well. You got 4 7mm bolts up high here after you pop off this trim piece. And then you got 3 or 4 down here too that you kind of got to look up on. But trying to plug that actuator back in, I guess I got lucky unplugging it. You're going to have to go up over the top of that little black box here to plug it in. You might be able to get it without taking it out, but the 3 minutes it takes to take that glove box shell out is worth the frustration. But alrighty, thanks for watching.